皆さん、いらっしゃいませ。今は2番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし、皆さん、どうぞ。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。Hi, everybody, welcome. Continuing on with short form verbs, another set of five. We are still in Genki 1. We are still in Genki 1, and we're taking on the next five on page 189, U verbs. The next set of U verbs here. So, let us begin. There we go. Okay. Our first verb is arao, to watch. Arao. 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 To watch. Arao. Okay. So, this would be aranai. Oh, I keep misspelling not nine here. There we go. Ara. Let's refer to my notes up here because it's not giving me. Yeah, so I am correct. It is aranai. But what am I missing here? It's not giving me the kanji ms word here. Ara. Anai. Aranai. It's not giving me aranai because that's all I have to do is drop the u. Why Microsoft, why are you not giving me aranai? Alright, let me consult G-Show here. Because I should have it should be aranai. I know I got this right. Aranai. Oh. Aranai. Awanai. There we go. Okay, so it's not aranai, it's awanai. Oh, that's a little switch up there. Okay. So instead of ara, it's awa. Awa. Nai. At least according to G-Show. Even that's not giving it to me. Huh. I-9? Well, it's not potent. Yeah, it's awanai. Or maybe it's arawanai. There we go. Arawanai. Okay. That's what I was missing. Okay. So this is probably let's see here. Our arata. Arata. Okay. And ara wa na kata. Ara wa nakatta. Okay. That's what was throwing me off because I was going aranai, A-R-A, but the u becomes wa in this instance here. So it was arawanai. So I was throwing myself off there. All right, our next word is iu. Iu, which is to say. Iu. To say. Iu. All right. So this will be iwanai, ita, and iwanakata. There we go. Okay. Next up is iru. To need. To need. Iru. Excuse me. Iranai. Iranai. Irata. And ira nakata. Ira nakata. Hold on. Model. I better double check ira nakata. Inakata. It's just inakata. Alright. Oh, okay. So I did, oh, okay. So I just dropped the ru. That's it. So it'll be inai, ita, and inakata. Okay. I thought I had it right. Alright. No problem. Next up is osoku naru, to be late. Osoku naru. Okay. Osoku naru. To be late. Osoku naru. Alright. Osoku na nai. Osoku na nai. Osoku nata. And osoku na nakata. Okay. And finally, our last word is our last word for this week. Ofuro ni hairu, to take a bath. Alright. So, o furo ni hairu. There we are. To take a bath. Alright. Ofuro ni hairu. There we go. Okay. Ofuro. Furo ni. Ofuro ni hairu. Emotionally. Hai. Nine. Okay. There you go. Hi, nine. Okay. Ofuro. Ofuro ni hai nata. Nata. I might not have this one right. This one's a little tough. And ofuro ni hai na kata. Not kata. Okay. Okay, here we go. Alright. This was tough. The last two were tough. Osoku naru and ofuri ni hairu. These two were tough. Hopefully I have them correct. Let me know in the comments below. But these are 5 verbs for the week. Arau, to wash. Awanai, atta, arata. Arawa na kata. Iu, to say. Iwanai, ita, iwanakata. Iru, to need. Inai, ita, inakata. Osoku naru, to be late. Osoku nanai. Osoku natta. Osoku nanakata. Might be wrong. I'll put a question mark on that. There we go. And ofuru ni hairu, to take a bath. Ofuru ni hainai. We'll put a question mark on that. Ofuro ni hainata. And ofuro ni nai nakata. So those are the ones in question, these 3. Hopefully they'll be correct. But yeah, these are our verbs for the week. Yeah. 皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし、皆さん。はい、どうぞ、コメント、like、サブスクライブをください。よし、皆さん、来週までお疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。